Hi from Dubai, how's everyone doing? Today I'm going to show you how to make a telephone. We'll need 2 cups, scissors, and a long string. Let's get started. First, we'll carefully make holes in the cups. Look, my cups have 2 holes. Next, let's put the string through the holes. Look, both of the cups are on the string. Then we tie knots on both ends of the string. I made several knots to make sure that the string doesn't slip through the holes. After that, we just put the cups to the end of the string. Finally, my phone is ready. Let's find someone to talk to.
Calling Amira. Wishing you to have a great day. Over.
Hoping that have a great day too. Over. Making the phone was easy and it was fun to play with. Hope you enjoyed it.